As a business owner, your customers' comfort and satisfaction are your top priorities. From the ambience of your space to exceptional customer service and quality products, it all comes down to one thing: creating a memorable experience. They say first impressions matter, and they are right. Picture this: you walk into a store, the atmosphere is inviting, the staff is warm, and everything just feels right. That's an experience you don't forget. But for Amara, an SME business owner and the creative force behind Amenities, that vision was at risk. Inconsistent power supply was disrupting her dream of making her store a standard for her customers. Tired of temporary fixes, she turned to DD Building Technology Solutions for a permanent answer. After a thorough consultation and load analysis, we designed a custom energy solution tailored to her needs. 2 units of 100 Ah lithium batteries, 6 units of 300 watt solar panels, and a unit of 2 kVA hybrid inverter. The results: her store now enjoys 24 hours uninterrupted power supply. This has transformed her business, boosting productivity, elevating the customer experience, and slashing the exorbitant costs of fuel and unreliable NEPA bills. Here's what Amara had to say.
Recently, we have been having issue of lights. NEPA will bring light, sometimes they will not bring light. Still, at the end of the month, they will still bring charges. And the charges they are bringing is too much. On top of it, you don't used to have light. So I decided to try solar. So I contacted a friend that directed me to DD Building Technologies. So I went to their head office and make inquiries. After the inquiries, I made payments. So they are installing my solar now.
Whether you are an SME owner like Amara or running a large enterprise, DD Building Technology Solutions delivers game-changing energy solutions for businesses struggling with power challenges. We help you give your customers the experience they deserve while increasing your productivity and ROI. Ready to power up your business? Send us a message today to get started.